Buying a luxury car is supposed to be the ultimate sign that you've made it. But for many owners, that dream quickly turns into a financial nightmare. In the world of high-end autos, a high price tag doesn't always mean high quality. In fact, some of the world's most famous badges are nothing more than over-engineered money pits that lose half their value the moment you drive them home. Today, we're counting down 5 luxury cars that are quite frankly a complete waste of your hard-earned money. From the UK's most unreliable icon to the Italian speedster that nobody wants to buy secondhand, let's get into it. Starting our list at number 5 is the Maserati Ghibli. It has the badge, the sound, and the Italian flair. But under that skin, it's a mess of cheap parts shared with basic Chryslers. In the US, the Ghibli is famous for having one of the worst depreciation rates in history. You pay $80,000 for the Prestige, and 3 years later, it's worth $30,000. It's a Ferrari engine trapped in a mediocre body. Unless you love burning cash, stay away. Number 4 is a heartbreaking one. The Range Rover. It is the king of luxury SUVs, but it's also the king of the repair shop. In the UK, Range Rovers consistently rank at the bottom of reliability surveys. From air suspension failures to catastrophic electrical gremlins, owning one out of warranty is like playing Russian roulette with your bank account. They are magnificent to sit in while they're actually moving. At number 3, we have the BMW 7 Series. Don't get us wrong, the tech is incredible. But that's the problem. It's too much tech. The more screens and sensors you add, the more things can break. 10 years from now, these cars will be nearly impossible to fix. Because the tech dates so fast, the resale value drops like a stone. You're essentially buying a very expensive smartphone on wheels that becomes obsolete in 4 years. Number 2. The Tesla Model X for a car that can cost over $100,000. The build quality is often shocking. From misaligned panels to those famous falcon wing doors that occasionally refuse to close in a rainstorm. It's a luxury price for a non-luxury experience. In the US market, competitors like Lucid and Rivian are now offering much better interiors for the same money, making the Model X a very expensive tech demo from the past. And finally, at number 1, the Mercedes EQS. Mercedes used to be the gold standard, but the EQS is a depreciation disaster. Some owners have seen their car's value drop by 60% in just 12 months. It's an electric car trying too hard to be the future, but failing to be a timeless luxury icon. In 2026, it's officially the fastest way to lose 6 figures on a Mercedes badge. Luxury should be about more than just a logo. It should be about lasting value and engineering excellence. So, which of these cars would you still buy despite the warnings? Or did we miss one? Let us know in the comments below. Smash that like button if we saved you some money today. And subscribe to Apex Epic for more truths from the world of high-end cars. We'll see you in the next one.